Starting off with my brows, I did my brows off camera, and then I'm going to go in with my Kiss Beauty Professional Primer, and I'm just going to rub that over my face and go ahead and massage it into my skin. I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in shade 360, and I'm going to just spread that over my face with this flat foundation brush. I'm going to go in with a bigger foundation brush, and I'm just going to blend that all over my face. I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan, and I'm just going to highlight under my eyes, and then I'm going to highlight above my mouth and underneath my chin, or my chin rather. I'm going to use a concealer brush, and I'm going to blend it into my skin. I'm going to go in with a damp beauty blender, and I'm just going to keep patting that into my skin. I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Mahogany, and I'm going to use that to contour. I'm going to blend it out using my contour brush. I'm going to go in with my Patrick Star translucent powder, and using my novel, I'm just going to pour the powder on it, and using this sponge, I'm going to set the areas I just concealed. Using my Revolution palette, I'm going to go in for the darkest shade, and I'm going to use that to contour. I'm going to use the same shade, and I'm going to contour my nose, and I'm going to do the same thing to my forehead. I'm going to take my powder brush, and I'm just going to brush everything out and make sure everything is blended and looks nice. I'm going to go in with my Adventure powder in the shade 3, and I'm going to use that and just blend over my face to bring back some warmth into my face. I'm going to go in with my setting spray from Kiss Beauty, and I'm just going to spray that over my face. Now for my eyes, I'm going to go in with the same concealer. I'm going to use Cool Tan, and I'm going to use my concealer brush to just blend it. I'm going to go in with this shade here, and I'm just going to blend that all over my eyes. I'm going to do the same thing for the other eye. I'm just going to blend everything together. And then I'm going to go in with this much darker shade, and I'm going to put that on the outer crease of my eyes. I'm going to spray some setting spray on my brush, and then using the same palette, I'm going to go in for a shimmery shade, and I'm just going to swipe the shade all over my eyes, and then I'm going to use my fingers to blend it. I'm going to repeat the same thing for the other eye. I'm going to go in with the darker shade I use for my crease, and I'm just going to blend that out a little bit more. I'm going to go in with my eyeliner from Kiss Beauty, and I'm just going to line my eyes. And then I'm going to go in with my lashes, and I'm just going to put that on. Now I'm going to go in with my powder brush, and I'm just going to try and blend my face again. I'm going to go in with my highlighter, and I'm just going to highlight my nose and then highlight my cheeks. I still don't know how to put highlighter on my cheeks, so I just freestyle it whatever way I can. So I'm going to go in with this shimmery shade from the same palette, the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just going to do a brow highlight. I'm going to use this mascara, and I'm going to touch up my eyelashes to make sure everything is blended and it looks real. For my lip, I'm going in with this MAC lip pencil in the color Chestnut, and I'm just going to line my lips. I'm going to go in with this Milani lipstick, and I'm just going to put that on my lips. I'm going to take a brush, and I'm going to blend it into my lips. So yeah guys, this is the final look. This is what I have, and I did a tutorial for this hair, so I'm going to link it down below so you could go and check it out. You have come to the end of this tutorial. I love you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends, and I'll see you in my next video.